It's been so long, right?
Yeah, it's been long time since we, connected. So,
Yeah.
how's life?
So how are you?
I'm doing well. I'm doing well and trying. I'm just learning new things and how can I, change my energy, I would say. Because
Of
everything is going in a way, in another way, and our inner self or inner, mindset, we continuously thinking about our life, like what should I do, this is right, is this right, or this one is right. So this is the thing.
in which way, in which direction we should move on, right?
Hmm.
But
Yeah,
not not having the clarity about purpose of life. It might
um
be the reason behind it.
yeah, sometimes even, what, like all the people, if they are telling us that I am so clear in my life and I have, proper mindset or something like that, even they sometimes they feel. And in this time, like I also feel that what should I do actually, what should I choose, because I'm learning a bunch of things. And meanwhile, like I want to change my behavior as well, behavior, or I would say, because I'm kind of introvert. And nowadays, like I'm working on site at office, so I have to handle so many operations, or so many I mean work. So for that I have to talk to people, I have to talk to my some colleagues, or I have to talk to some clients as well. So sometimes, like in my case, I think a lot. Sometimes I think a lot about other people. If I'll do this, what if they will feel, difficult, or they uncomfort? So sometimes I do this thing. So I want to change this thing, that I am also worthy enough. I am also, I also have the right to take time, or I would say other people's time. Sometimes I think, yeah, because they are board members, because I'm a business
Yeah.
development executive there, and I have to talk to direct the clients, my office, my office clients, my boss's clients. So they are big people, like they are running huge business. So sometimes I think, like before calling them, before talking to them, I think that what if I disturb them or this way, but I need to change this, because we all have right, we all
Yeah.
because our time is also important, our time is also
Yeah,
important.
yeah, of course.
And so the conclusion of this thing is that we all need to love ourselves as well. We need to take care
Of
of
course.
ourselves, that yeah,
We
yeah.
must have our me time to just spending over there. We
Yeah.
all have the equal authority, right? To
Hmm.
domain, to claim out, right? Our
Yeah, right.
privilege, right? Privilege. Yeah, we have equal privilege. So somewhere, after engagement deeply with our works, we are forgetting to spend our me time, right? And this is very
Hmm.
important, get to steal as much as possible for us, right?
Yes, but
So,
what, bro? Yeah, yeah, go
but
ahead, go
I
ahead.
would like to ask you about your life, how it's going on nowadays. I think it's been a long time. You have been managed yourself entirely in this field, right? So,
Yeah,
say
yeah.
something.
Actually, recently I took a break from YouTube as well. So I was not practicing my English, and this is true that if you are not practicing your English will go down. Like you will feel some, lag. You will feel the lag in your English speaking journey. So yeah, so now again I started, and somehow I'm managing my time, from work and from
Yeah, of course.
other, yeah,
I'm
from my
really
books.
glad for the having your return, I would say. You come
Yeah,
back.
because bro, I feel a little pressure as well, because I'm a creator now. We are creators,
Yeah,
and it's our duty to keep, to keep motivated, to be motivated all the time, and keep motivated our viewers as well. So it's our duty.
yeah,
So that's why that thing also pushes me a lot, ki Rahul. You can't, give up.
Of course, you're right. If at once upon a time we were motivating somebody, so now times comes to motivate us. If we are
Yeah.
wandering here and there and we are not having the clarity and the clear visions of our
Mm,
life, in that situations we have to stick with some decisions, some dedications towards our goals. And this is the time we have to pull down self again at the same zone, on the same track, I would say. And
yes,
this
you
is
are
a
right.
very important creator, I would say.
And bro, like, yeah, I'm thinking about something like, yeah, bro, like, by the way, like we talk, usually we talk on call. Uh, People, viewers, they don't know, but we talk. So, we think that you also will agree about it that hard work is okay. Practicing English is okay, but our mindset is also important. What we are thinking, our energy is also important. How we are thinking, how we are, um, I mean, how we are feeling with about English. So it's also important. We need to be excited all the time. We need to, feel that I'm the champion, as we said, as we were talking in the morning. So we are champions.
Yeah, yeah,
So this energy,
you're
like,
right.
huh?
Sometimes, after calling self as a champion, it boosts us, our
Yes.
confidence, our
Yeah.
inner energy, and it accelerates self a lot towards. So I also consider myself I'm a champion. I can
Yes.
do
Yeah, we can do.
that.
And I want to tell all the viewers that, guys, I mean, speak out loud. In a room, like in
Yeah,
my room now, I can say I'm a champion. I'm a champion. No one can stop me. So this is the thing. These are small things that can gives us, give us the energy and the motivation as well. This is also important.
yeah. I personally, experience and like whenever you feel so much glad from inside, your confidence level will be high, and this is a very prominent as a learners, as a creators, as a professionals, I would say, to express your opinions with the convenience at any point of view of yours. It doesn't matter like how are you speaking with, right?
Yes, yes,
So
this is the thing.
I felt
I agree with you.
somebody recommended me like Chandan, you speak well, but there's at some of place you are lagging behind because you speak very slowly. So I just
Mm,
increased out of my speaking, and this is a very mandatory for me.
right, right,
Really.
bro. And we need to just, in this way, we are also spreading positive energy towards our learners, because sometimes, yeah, it's not easy. To be honest, like we all can understand this thing. We can all can, see that learning English is not easy. And meanwhile, we are thinking, we are doing so many, other works. We are managing with our family. We are dealing with our family or life circumstances, and to, simultaneously we have to learn this language, so it's hard. So that's why we need to always, keep us motivated all the time.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. I am also, agree, of your point of views. I would say holding, multiple responsibility in our day-to-day life. Somewhere we are going to, distract from our
Mm,
actual aims of life, right? What is our aim? Firstly, we
mm,
have to recognize it,
yes.
right? We have to creating our aims first. After achieving, we have to engage with something, some other things, I would say. But before, until you do not have success into them, you do not give
Mm,
up. That's
mm,
meant. That's what I meant ever. And for every personalities, I would say, right?
yes, yes.
So
And
that's why I have been working for 4 years, I would say, and I always, try to elevate myself, as better as
mm,
I.
yeah.
I removed my filler words. I got to know how to frame the sentence with the convenience with the grammars. At
Mm,
some of point I'm correct, but
yeah.
at some of, find I'm lagging, where I have to improve. Recognizing your weakness, weak one, parts where you have to work literally, I would say.
Hmm.
Right. So I got to learn like by somebody who recommended me like you speak loud, otherwise everything is okay.
Hmm.
And he also
Hmm.
said to me, I think,
Yeah, I mean, we all are learning from each other. Just be humble and keep learning. And I also think sometimes, like, if you are putting so much efforts but still you are not getting good results, I think you should retrospect. You should think about your life, like where you are going, as we already discussed about it, that we need to think about our life more, and you can change your work as well if you are feeling good. uh, okay,
yeah, you're right.
I'm not telling that we need to give up, but simultaneously you can start doing some other work and relate your English journey with that person. Like in my case, I want to make you understand that in my case, I'm learning English here on YouTube. I'm practicing my English, and I make content. I help some other, people with English. Meanwhile, I'm working. I mean, simultaneously, I'm a business development executive at office. I'm doing full time job. So I can, if let's suppose, like, if my YouTube would not go well, if my whole sort of work would not go well, that time I can switch my this skill into my job. So in this way, like, back then I
Yeah,
was
you're right.
I was totally on YouTube. I was totally focused on YouTube. That time I was feeling good, but in February I was not feeling good. I started like, yeah, my YouTube is not going well, what I should do. At that time I started working, but
Yeah,
I hadn't stopped putting content. I was
yeah,
putting
that
content
was the
as well.
plus point, I would say.
Yeah,
That was the plus point of yours, I would say. You didn't give up. That's very
because
important for any person, I
hmm,
would say, every creators. After included self with different kinds of works, they always give up,
hmm,
right? So giving up, it's
Be-
not a good,
hmm,
behavior as a competitor, I would say, right?
hmm, hmm,
If you really want to be a competitor or warrior, at your on field, I would say, then you have to sustain yourself equally. Whether are you
hmm,
holding multiple responsibility at the same time in your life, but you
hmm.
have to sustain your um,
People,
continuity, I would say.
and in our community, I've seen like people, give up because of lack of money, because they are not earning somehow. Like, I'm telling you about all the creators only, but some of the audience, from audience. If guys, you are learning English and you feel like, yeah, what sort of thing that you want to do in the future after learning English. Okay, so think about that. And right now, if you don't have money, that time you need money to take classes, to invest in yourself, because we
Yeah,
have to have confidence as well. If you are not wearing good clothes, and you have to go to somewhere where you will talk to somebody, some board members, some big person, that time you need good clothes as well. And for
yeah,
buying
yeah,
clothes,
you're right.
we need money. So that's why, like, I recommend that, guys, like, as soon as possible you can start doing a job, to learn. Yeah, job or
Yeah,
any
you're
sort of
right.
freelance work you can do. Yeah, so that's the thing. But freelancing is not that much easy, because I'm doing, and I know that if if you are not a full-time freelancer, you are not totally focused on freelancing, that time you wouldn't be able to get more clients. So
Yeah,
just show, but through
yeah, you're
YouTube, through
right.
social media, just show what you have, and try to connect with the audience, try to connect with people, more people. If you are an audience itself himself, I mean, okay, that time you can connect with other people, network more and more. So this is the thing. My English
So
is not
Rahul,